So now what we need to do, which we've done, we need to go to our plugins, and we've actually add new plugins, and we have search for it to see the free one. But what we want is to actually get the premium one, which we've actually go browse and actually bring it up, and it's here, so it's about to load. So this is search engine optimization, allow you to rank your page on Google. And I also have an advanced search engine optimization, we call it offsite, and all that is also part of the materials I'm giving. So once you've installed, you will now do what? Activate. Now once you activate it, it's also going to be also ready for you to use. Now it's actually here. Now the moment you install and activate, it brings you to this section. So what you do is to do what? Just click on setting. Excuse me. I'm still in class. So now you do that, then you actually do what? It brings you here. Now once it brings you here, what you do first, it's telling you right now there's a problem first. That's one thing about how it works. It detects problem, tell you how to go about it, tell you how to fix it, tell you what to do. Now here we have how to detect the following issues. It says you are not receiving updates or support. Fix the problem, blah blah blah. Now, what he's trying to say in essence is, you want me to give you the license, and I'm not giving you the license. Don't mind him. So what we need to do is a first time SEO. If you're actually is your first time, you need to do what? Configuration wizard. That's where you click. So you first time, if you want to actually get in SEO, you go to plugin, add new plugin. Now search if you want to use the free version. If you don't want to use the free version, you do what? You now actually go and upload the one that you have. So now once you upload it, you click on the setting, it will now do what? Bring you here. Now what you do first is to click on configuration wizard. So click on it, it will now take you to where you configure the whole setting. So he gets to know who you are, gets to know all the information that you want the world to know, get to tell him what and what to do. So when that is ready, then you can actually also use it to do a lot. First thing you want to ask you is, what environment is this? Please specify if your site is under construction. That is in case you have your site under construction. So you tell them, well, right now our site is live and it's indexing. So the first option is my site is live and indexing. It's what you do what? Choose. And if you choose any option, you click what? Next. So the next thing again you want to do is say your site. What does your site blah 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 represent? Is it a blog? Is it an online shop? Is it a news channel? Is it a small business, corporation, portfolio, something else? Always, no matter what, go for what? Blog. Why? The blog is what goes out of your website, not and also gets people to bring them in. Every other thing, whether you have a shop, whether you have anything, it doesn't go out to bring people. The only thing that goes out is your blog. So always select what? Blog. And once you select blog, the next thing you want to do is to actually click on what? This part that says next. So you select next. Then once you select next, it brings you to this part that says organization or person. Now, what it means is, if the person that owns the website or that you're trying to set up for is an organization entity, what you need to do is to put the name of the organization, or the name of the person. If it's not organization, if it's a person, come down to what? Person. So now when you say person, you just click on this part, it will now ask you to choose what? The weekday class. But if the person is an entity and is an organization, you can actually put the name of the person's company, choose the person's logo, then all his social media or all your social media content handles you can actually put there. So let's say we are choosing person today. We choose person and say, okay, let's go. So we select, say, yeah, weekday class. So we'll do what? Next. Now the next one is saying search engine visibility. Search engine should show posts in search result. Yes. Search engine should show pages in search result. Yes. So that is the right thing to do. So you click what? Next again. So we have multiple authors. Does or will your site have multiple authors? That is in the nearest future. Do you think you want to actually get somebody to help you manage the website? So you might say yes for now, or you might say no for now, but it's possible in the nearest future you might get somebody to want to do that. Now the implication is, if you say no for today, when you want to actually by tomorrow decided to have somebody to do or to be part of your website, the person needs to also follow this process again from start to this level. But if you now say yes now by saying yes, my site will have multiple, so the next anybody you give any also the privilege to also work with you on your website, the person will just enjoy on your existing setup that you've done already. So it's important to say what? Yes. So you can actually say no if you think you are sure that you're not going to give anybody access to actually work with you. Now this part is saying the name of the website is My Weekday Class. Now if you think you also like any of this time separator, this title separator, if you think you like using it each time you're posting, you can select anyone that you like. Here I like this guy, this one here, so I select it and I said what? Next. And also what I have is they are telling you if you want to continue learning, if you want to get to know more, put your email address and sign up. What they are saying is for you to subscribe for their newsletter so that every single time they post any new thing, you can be the first person to actually get all that. But if you think you don't need it, just go down and say what? Next. So once you say next, then they will now bring you to the part where you do what? Close the whole section for this very section, because you have other sections too. So the next section, it brings you to where you need to go to this part. We've done with this section already, so we've set it up already. So we'll go to the next one, which is features, and everything here at the features is already set default wise, so it's okay. So we'll go to the part which is the last one, called Webmaster. Now Webmaster allows you to connect all these companies, things like one of the biggest company in China that actually also are in search engine business. Google also is there. Bing Webmaster is owned by Microsoft Word also and all that. So they just want you to just put up this code from their website and put it inside your website, so that each time anybody is searching, it will be ranking you. So you can say, okay, fine, let me start with the first one or from the down there. So once you go to this part, every of them have the link to where you go. Are you getting me? So you click any one that you want. So you can anyone you want to start with. So I'm starting with the last one. Click it. It will redirect me into their website where I can actually go and put in my link of my site. So I will just make sure I have my link on my website ready. So I'll go there. They're telling me to register or to log in. I can do what? Either register. Now register will require me to put my phone number, which I know since it's just to test, I don't even need to do all that. So I can just log in with my existing account. So I can choose anyone that I want. Let me see if I actually have the account, if it's open, so I can just add it. I can add this one. See, that's telling me phone number again. Link your phone number, not now. I don't want to put my phone number, so I will just leave it. So now I will go in to put my URL. So the URL, when you put your URL of the website, it allows them to give you access to this. So this is my URL. I've added it into the site. So I click what? Add. So when I click add, they will give me the code. This is the code that I need to copy. Now if you want to copy from up to this part here, it's not bad, but what you need is from this in between this one. You see this in between these two guys here, this, what do they call this? I see a quotation mark. Now in between the quotation mark to the other quotation mark like this is what you copy. Did you understand? So you copy it and you take it to your site. And no, if you copy all of them, you just only to paste it here and I also take it off. But all they need is from in between that quotation mark. So you have it here. Please, the moment you paste it, please save first, because you need to save it and you need to go back to the site and verify. Are you getting me? Now it's saved. So I need to go back here and do what? Check like this. So if it's now working and they've recognized it on your website, you will now see the code here. You see adults Michael meter. Then look at it, confirmation code is there, and it's now also working perfectly well. So now I don't have any business again with them. I'm done with them. So I will now go. So let me clear all these guys so that I will also have that. So now I am now ready to go for the second one also. I click on Google Search Console. They want to take me to which of the email that I want to use for this very particular stuff. I can say I want to use this the one I just created. Yes, I want it. So, okay, fine. That's the email address you want. I say yes. It's okay, fine. Let's go. Then they will now allow me to have options here. I can actually see there's alternative options here, and there's also recommended options here. Now, the recommended option they are giving will require you to download this very particular HTML verification file into your computer. Now, they will require you now to upload it from your computer into your website first, then before you verify. That is a long thing. So the best thing I always advise people to go for where the alternative. The alternative also have about 4 options there. There are 3 of them are also very tedious, but I also advise you to choose the first one. Instead of choosing this or this, go for what? The first one, then you just immediately see the code. Now make sure in between what? You go and copy also. But unfortunately this is, if you try to leave it, it will also pack everything. So don't worry, copy it, take it to your site, then paste it there. When you paste it, now you can carefully clean up, delete under the question mark, right? Then move to there and do what? And you take them off. Do you understand what I did there? Then you do what? Save. Now when you save it, you now go back again to that. Go back again and to go and do what? Verify. So you click what? Verify. Now if you see a quick check mark, work. If you see a cancel, then something wrong. Now check, it's okay. So now you do what? Say bye bye. You go to the last one, because this very first one here that is actually owned by also one Chinese company. They are also yet to, turn it to English. So let me show you. If you click it there, you see that it's China, and they've not up to now they've not translated it to English. So it's so so I don't actually have time for that. So I'm always using the last one. That's my last one instead of second to the last, because they've not translated it. So I don't know what they want us to do. And they want us. They feel we can actually also do what? We can actually also use it to make that mark. But I just feel so. Also, this guy I'm also going to be using. Which one? I know I've used it before. So let me see if I've used this one before. This is Amadurs Michael. No, I've not used this one before. And they will tell me I don't have account. I'm looking for the one I have account. So let me see if I've used this one before. It's like I've used it before. So yeah. So now I can also add my site, copy it completely, and I go and go there and I do what? I paste, take that off, add. Then I'll now do what? They're asking me to make sure I have my name. It's okay. My name is Amadurs Michael. My name is Amadurs Michael. That's my email, my CEO. My company name is Amadurs. It's there.
So we're not doing this for our audience.
You are doing it most definitely. That is the SEO. If you are paid, sure, why not? If you are paid, the most important thing is the code you need. Now, if you feel you want to now create, you can create fresh account for them. If you want to do, if you feel, because every single thing allows you to add. What you are doing is to get the code. That's all you need. So once if you think I can add as many accounts under my own account, all I need is that code for it to allow me. And once that code is there on the website, that's all I needed. So, and if I choose to say I feel like creating fresh accounts for them, I can still do it if I want. Are you getting me? But some of them might require a phone verification, so which means you have to put your phone number to verify. And maybe if you put your phone number already before on your own personal one, might not allow you to put it again. So all these things, you can just put that. The most important, just get the code. They're asking me for my company size. We are like a good team in my company here. So industry, I can select most of the industry I want to select here. Financial service. Let me see if there's any option. Technology. Yeah, that's it. So which country are you? I'm in Abuja. FCET, zip code 900211. So that's it. Cell phone 08039202123. It's okay. You site, so here now, if you now decide to actually create it for clients, you must, this very part here, you must check this part. If you're creating it for clients, you must check I am an agency, not a site owner. You can also do that there. So save. So save. Now. Yeah, wow. Verify. So now also they are giving you first option. I said I don't want the first option. Second option, yes, I want the second option. So I go, I copy. But if I leave it, it will not do all that. Sticker it, take it, paste it there, clean. Then go to the last one. Yep. Then I'll save. Yep. So I go and do what? Verify. Alright. So once that is done, yeah, perfect. It's actually here. Verify. So what I need to do is now I'm done with everything, but I need to now do what? Go and set up my what do you call it? SEO. Now the setup SEO is on every post. Every post you post. Now you've configured it and you set it and it's already there. So you don't need to ever go there to do anything again. The only thing is, from now, every single post you want to post, you must do or run an SEO on them. How? You want to post any new article, you go to add new posts, and once you add new post, you will now see the tools of the SEO below. It allows you to rank first on Google page, on Google, so that people will see your business first. If they go to search, they will see you among the list of those who first there. So now this is it. If you scroll down now, you see SEO waiting for you. See them. This is the SEO that I see. This number you haven't activated, you're just SEO. Huh? That head na lady head with that one. So if this one, when they're saying activate, they're just also wanting you to actually have a subscription, and I already have one. So they are just saying, so it doesn't have anything to do with, so don't mind them. So the most important thing is the moment you come in, they also want you to actually post something. So you have to go and actually get an article or a post. You can actually get a post about business. So I can do this, say I get a business, 51 small business idea. So this is the title. So let me copy it and go to my posts, and goes to my posts. So my title is what? 51. So let me copy. It's copy. I want to do. So yeah, they don't block them. See. You can okay. Hey, Chineke, I copy you. But say this is a dumb blocker. Don't try now move. So now let me bring it here. So my posts, then I go down so that at least let me do my SEO. So the first thing there is, once you come in down, scroll down, anything that you want to do, you need to follow the rules, the regulation, the instruction that this guy called SEO analysis. That's the person that you need to be working with. You click on it, it will open. First of all, it will show you problems. And these problems, you need to solve this problem to get up to 10 or 11 greens, which is good. Because the green represents good. Are you getting me? So now you need to make sure you do that. You see the first green there says, your title what is title wide, its width is very good. Okay. The first thing again there is we have outbound link. It's not saying is you need to actually have a link. Like when I was saying, you give credit to anywhere you're clicking. And so now we need to go and give credit. So we'll go and copy this link, and we'll copy the link. We need to also say this very site is small business trend. So you need to also go back on your website to give that credit to them. You say you can do, I would like to give credit to small business within small business ideas. Now, the whole thing is I have, I'll just do this, highlight this name, come to this part that says link. Now paste that their website link there inside. It now becomes that. See, now it's now become a link, right? So now scroll back down because we're trying to solve one first problem, right? Scroll down to see. Now the problem from 6 is now how many? 5. So taking care of one problem. Now the second one says internal link. Internal link is talking about inside our own post. What do we have in our own? So well, we don't have any post yet. So we'll now say, okay, let's copy our URL and also go up and say let's add something. The company, yes.
You can add your previous
and your other posts, yes, and also we add what's our own name? My weekday class has nice topics you can look for. So select my weekday class, give it also that, paste it, yes, then scroll down. How many problem? So you see that it's reducing. Now this is the work of SEO. SEO check what is the problem and tell you what to do. You start doing it and start doing it. As long as you've done it and you get complete 10 to 11 or even 12 green, you're good to go. So now we also have key phrase. Now what they are saying key phrase is the keyword that we need to have on this website. Now how does keyword work? Keyword is what sell your posts, what sell your website. Your keyword of your post is, you look at the title, 51 small business ideas for 2020. Who can tell me what is the keyword there? Somebody else?
Business ideas.
That's the answer. Small business, because the keyword, what you're focusing on is the small business. The ideas is you're telling people small business, but I need ideas, more ideas to actually start a small business. So the small business is the idea, is the focus keyword, and is the what we need to also use as our focus keyword. 51 small business ideas. So it's small business. The most focus point is what? The small business. Then the ideas, the 2051 for 2020 is just that. So we do what? Pick it as what? Our keyword. So you carry it down, scroll down, and put it here on our key phrase. Now also we have it also up here. Keyword focus. This is the focus keyword. Paste. And also on our key phrase, you can also say yes. I can also put it there. Now I still have 4 problems. Why I still have 4 problems is saying the key phrase density, that is the focus keyword, was found 7 times. That was more than the recommended maximum of how many? So all we need to do is to go up and make sure we do something about it. Looking for inspiration, the best small business ideas, blah blah blah. So we can actually do what? We can say, okay, let's take it out. Small business idea. Small business idea. Okay, now I don't want to delete it. What I will just do is to put businesses. See, I've changed. Are you getting it? So I put businesses. I'll go to this other part. This is businesses already. I can also add here because it says it's 7, so I need to do all for 3. So I'm taking 3 out. Where is another one again? Businesses. So I'm coming here to businesses. Now if I scroll down now, what do I have? I have how many? 3, right? Make description length. Now it's talking about description. The description is always like more of the selling point. When you go to the let's say, let me even go here now. Let's say when we go here, you see these are the description. All these ones like this, all these things you see here like this, they are the description. Well, where can you find them? You just scroll down under this guy, edit snippet. See it here. Click on it. It will also show you where you can see what meta description. So it's just for you now to select the meta description. You're also gonna put it there. So let me just, for example, just pick this guy here. I don't want to scroll up. Then as a meta description. Meta description should just talk about the post, more of the reason why you should actually click on the post to go and read. So that's what you need to have. So we now have that. So you scroll down, see what you say. Image alternative, that is on this post we are posting now, there is no what? Image. So it's okay, let's get one. So it's okay, we need to get one. Go to this part, select the image. No, I need image. See it here. Image. So I say okay, I want to upload from my computer. I say okay, let me get one. So I say okay, I think I need this. So I select. So this is it. Then I scroll down. I said I've put image already. You say okay, they are now piling what I'm doing. If you look, once we have orange is you have done it, but you've not done it well. Are you getting it? Red is you've not even done it. Green is yes, you have done it. So now let's focus on the image. The 2 are here are there. So let me just finish this guy so I can attend to these other ones here. The title length, you say the title length we have is how many? 155 words. So we need how many? Minimum of how many? So which means we need to also do what? Go and get more write-ups to add. So we scroll. So okay, let's get more write-ups. Get more write-ups. No conclusion. And the conclusion I look for. So let me go again. So add it. Let's go back again down to see how many is it. Where are you there again? So it's like that one will work. You see, I have 377. So very good. So now I've gone back again. There's another red keyword density. I said the focus keyword was found 13 times, the more than the recommended of how many? 10. So I need to also go and start working on, businesses. First, where on a day, small business idea. So let me see.
Let's look from all.
From all. So small business idea. No, so 9 be the thing. Please, anywhere I just see, I'll just put okay. Business idea, Abi. No, don't be business idea. That one now. Small business now be our distance. Yes. Small business idea. Small business idea. Now they look for small business idea, small business idea, small business idea. So let's go and see if it's done. It's not saying density 12 times. That's more recommended of 10. So let's see where it be the place now. Small businesses. So
The first line.
the first line. Second line. Small business. I've added SES. I've added it here. Where again? Okay, so let me see. All right, so that's done. So have image alternative. So now what they are saying here is you need to have this very keyword inside the image that is inside our website. So you do like this. So you try as much as possible to say when you click on it to appear here. So alternative test. So yeah, type it here. Scroll down. You see. So key phrase in title, the exact match of the key phrase appears in SEO title, but not at the beginning. So it's not saying this guy 51. So let's bring it down to title. So appears in title. Snippet. So try to move all these ones and put it there. So it's too small. So you need to make it. You can get up to 51 small business idea for 2020. So let me see. So it's not saying the exact match. So what if I decide to carry this guy, paste and take it to up and give it like this. So let me see how many green I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 10. Oh yeah, try. But it's okay. So this particular guy is telling me the exact match of the key phrase appears in SEO. So consider putting it at the front. So if you want me to put it at the front, how can I do that? Small business ideas for 2020. Okay, so let me see if that's a book. Okay, what do you think? 13 green. Now, what we need to do, sharply, this is going to fall into business. Then we'll make sure so we get the image we'll put inside. So we'll select this image, go up, then we do that, then we put, no, this is not that. We need to select small write-ups, okay, like this one, selling points. Okay. Then we'll do what? Publish. Now, if we have up to 25 of what we did here now on our website, we can actually ask for Google Ads. If we can actually do that, because one, you look up there showing green, Yoast, see there, Yoast up here, see here, showing green. If you can have up to 25 articles that is showing green like this, just go as just continue knocking until they say don't do, take. But not copy paste, you are go copy like this. So now you go write the article. I said it before. No, the green, they will give you the green. The green has nothing to do. It doesn't have means to detect if you copy it. What he is trying to do is to make sure you post the right article and the right way, the way it should go. So, but it doesn't actually try to detect to know if it's a real one. So even if you now have to, if you copy and you paste and you get green but it's copied, Google have ways of also knowing. So when they see it, they know this is ranked, but why is it ranked? They'll just know that you copied. So they just tell you, say, well, everything about your website is okay, and the ranking and the visitors that are visiting your website are also good. But we discovered that you're actually, infringing on intellectual property, and we don't actually allow that. It's actually against our terms and conditions. So unfortunately, we're not going to be also approving your Google Ads. Please check again in 3 months' time. When that time, we should try as much as possible to, write your article by yourself. That's when you do all that. You say?
I think if you're not, you go through